Now, let me show you how you can search the Outlook email on your iPad. So let me just open up the Outlook app like this. Make sure that your app is up to date and that you are running the latest version of the app. But we get inside like this and you can see that I'm signed in with my account, right? So as you can see, I have a few accounts in here. I can browse the folders and everything. So that's how you can get inside. But once you are in here, in the top right corner, you should be able to find the search icon. So this is what it looks like, this little search right next to the bell icon. So you can expand it like this and you can search for something, right? So you can type in some keyword, for example, Foxtecc, right? And it shows up shows up with the person which I was texting. But you can as well click on the specific emails, filter by specific people, or if there is a file attached to the emails which has that title. But it can even go further because you can also choose events and so on. So that's how you can search for stuff. Of course, it helps if you have more things to search through. I don't really have that much, but you can search all of the folders, and if there are any matches available, then they are going to be displayed on the screen right in here. So that's how you can do this. Of course, as you can see, I need to re-sign back in because there was something going on with my account, but essentially that's how it works. You click on the search in there and make sure that you look up the specific keyword. As I said, make sure that you have the latest app of the Outlook as well. So go to the App Store and look up Outlook in here. And if there is an update available, make sure you get the update so you always have the latest version. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.